Hey you guys, Jones Blues and Jam. How you doing? Yeah, I got lipstick on. This lip gloss is one of those, one out the package. Matter of fact, it's two of them. They're very dry. But on one of my videos, my daughter told me that she didn't see anything in the middle of my lip because I didn't put anything because I didn't like the colors. But I decided, okay, let's put something. Let's try them both together with a little Vaseline. You know, Vaseline saves everything, okay? So today, I can't be right in the middle. I'm trying to fix this. We are going on an outing. I am doing this for my girl. I'm doing it for myself, but I'm doing it for my girl, Eve, the empty nester. She's in the hospital and she's smiling. So I'm going to go find some water and do a live video. So when I get closer, I will change what I'm using now and go live, okay? So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.